everybody knows.
Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So you've spending few days in our life. I hope you enjoyed this particular video with us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. So right here, hubby is traveling to his hometown, which is Slovakia. So he's traveling to Slovakia. So right now he's on his way to the train station. Then from the train station he will head to the airport. Okay, so he did these clips for us to see what it looks like in London in the morning. At least this is like 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. ish in the morning. Okay, so it's quite raining and the rest. So I will be taking you guys along. I hope you enjoy this video with us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. I'll also be showing you guys what my husband's hometown looks like. Okay, so stick around and watch the video to the end. All right besties, so keep on.
Moonlight peeks through the curtains. Another night, another fight. How do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me.
So guys, hubby is in Slovakia. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and he flew from London to Slovakia. After that, he took when he reached Slovakia, that is their capital, which was Bratislava. From Bratislava he took another bus stroke train to his hometown. Okay, so welcome to my husband's hometown guys, and he's just strolling around, showing us everywhere. They've already started decoration for the Xmas and the holiday. As you can see, those people in front are coming out from the, I think it's train station. Okay, and yeah, this is what my husband's hometown looks like. Later on along the vlog, he'll also be taking us along, showing us around the whole place. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you watched this far, thank you so much. Like, I literally appreciate. Please give the video a thumbs up, share it if you can, and yeah, keep on enjoying the rest of the vlog. This place looks so beautiful, like literally looks so beautiful. So he's just showing us all the whole things in the night, and I love this sign. Okay, this sign you guys are gonna see in a bit. I love the way they light up the sign. This is his hometown, and they wrote the hometown there, which is Jalini. I don't know if I pronounce it right. Yeah, so this is my husband's hometown, and welcome. So keep on watching.
Baby, just stay with me. Now I smell wine in the bedroom. You can get me when you're drunk. Apathy is how I get through. Until you ask me what I want. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Did you really mean it? Oh,
Hi guys, good morning. It's 6:25. Here's my sister. They're doing some walking, and in front of me are some Christmas decoration, which I'll show you guys.
Thinking you might run. Maybe we should sleep on it. Just wait till the morning comes. 'Cause yes, I really mean it. I'm half the man when you're not around. Baby, we can make it. Oh, to us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Baby, just stay with me.
Yes, Mia. Guys, for our lunch, we are having Abacha. Okay. With smoked chicken. Yeah. But this chicken now we have to put inside to it. No light. If I put it inside oven. We're gonna do it like this to defrost it. Hey, I got this one. And a fufa. And some, yeah, that's okay. And some wine. Chicken. Well, I think this is okay. It's not okay. Look at what my sister is giving me as a chef that she is. The asa, the omalicha, akwanwa, akudo, asa baby. Which other name would I give you? Yeah. Baby la hot. Baby la hot. Baby la hot. Is no, I don't have. It's good to have a chef in your family. Seriously, they'll give you different assorted food. This is one meal down. More meals to come. This Christmas vlog is gonna be vlogging. It's gonna be vlogging. Should I tell people her bride price? You know how much her bride price is? You want to know? Are you a guy that is looking for a cute chef that will cook normal, Igbo food, the food that you eat, you say, yes, this is homemade? That is what my sister is all about, though. I am praising her here. Yes, I am proud. Okay, let me shut my food. Welcome to a new day, loves. Thank God for life. Thank God for good health for me and my family, and for your family as well. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this particular vlog. So hubby has some errands to run, and he's taking us along and showing us his community. I hope you enjoyed this particular video with me. So here is their playground in his community, okay, and he'll be showing us eventually every other stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. This is me seeing this place through the screen with my eyes. I've not been here before, so it's a place where we are planning to visit as well. But I decided to show you guys my little community, because what's a place that my husband comes from is also my place, right? Let me know in the comment section. Anyway, so just taking us along, and please enjoy the rest of the video. If you've watched this extent, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share your beautiful comment, and keep on watching. So Hobby came to the mall to get few things, okay, and this is what the mall looks like. It looks so beautiful, like right. Let me know what do you think about the mall. And I noticed that he did more of walking than entering the bus or a car. And after the mall, he came around this area where there was a church, and this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. I love the architecture of the church, of the buildings of in my husband's place. Okay, it has this beautiful old vibes. Okay, yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video and if you watched this extent. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Share your beautiful comment. If you're from Slovakia, hi, welcome to our space. I am Jessica Tronovek. I am in Nigeria. We are based in Nigeria. Hobby is from Slovakia, and he went to his hometown for some things he wants to do, and he decided to take us along and sent me some of the clips, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Right now we are on a long distance relationship, so I'll be showing you guys my lifestyle in Nigeria, and I'll also be showing you guys what he has been up to in UK stroke Slovakia. So keep on watching the rest of the video, love. So after a long day of walking around his hometown, showing us everywhere, he decided to come to this coffee shop stroke tea shop to have tea because it's really cold outside, according to him. So this is what I'm explaining. What he told me, that is what I'm explaining to you guys. Okay, yeah. So and the place was warm. He need to put wood in this charcoal. What do they call this thing? I don't know. What do they call this thing? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah. So you need to put some wood here and light up the place. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all.